we are going to learn how to draw a lollipop chart from a given data. Here's the data of highest team scores in ICC World Cricket Cup history from 1975 to 2023. Scores here means the total runs scored in 50 overs. So the data is given here. We represent our data like this, team and scores. Now to draw a lollipop chart, we first select the data. After selecting, we go to Insert tab, go to line with markers. Now go to chart design. Before going to chart design, we will make this graph a little bit bigger so we can see this very clearly. Now go to chart design, go to add chart element, go to lines. Now here we add drop lines. Here we are making these drop lines to make a lollipop stick like structure to represent this data from its peak to the x-axis. Now this drop line will work as a lollipop stick to represent this particular plot. Now we make to edit some more items, like go to format chart area. Now we will remove the lines which are connecting with each peaks. We'll make this disappear, and now we'll make markers. Go to marker options, click on built-in option, and make the size of that circle up to 25. Now the circle becomes a little bit bigger than this previous one. Now I'll select the drop lines. We'll change the width up to 44 so that it looks like a little bit thick than the previous one. Yes, it's thick now. Now we want to change this color, so I'll again click on this and change the color to the black. Now I'll add data labels. First we cross this format drop lines, go to this add element portion here, like this. We see that we make these data labels a little bit bigger so that we can see this clearly. Now before doing that, we'll delete the y-axis. Now go to add elements, and here we click on data labels. Now the data labels are here. Now we want to make it a little bit bigger, so we go to homes and increase the size and make it bold so that we can see the labels of that particular peaks. Now again we will make this x-axis a little bit more bigger to see clearly. Now yes, it's we make this chart a little bit bigger. Yes. Now the chart is pretty good from the previous one. Now we'll make this head, the peak point, this head circle structure, to look like a lollipop. So to do this, we'll go to Chrome, search lollipop head structure or lollipop head image. We'll go to image section. We select I like this. I'll select this image. I'll simply copy this image and I'll paste to my Excel sheet. Now I paste it here. Now I'll go to picture format and change this width and the length of the picture. Now it quite look like a little bit smaller as compared to the previous one to make this fit on our lollipop chart. Now I'll copy this lollipop chart, copy this lollipop image and copy and paste. Now I paste and make that replica of that picture. Now I go to picture format. I'll change the color according to our team jerseys. Now suppose first is our India, so I'm going to do it with blue one because our India's jersey team is jersey color is blue. I'll cut it and select the particular peak and paste it here. Now I've just pasted this one. Now again I'll copy this lollipop head image and again paste it, again replica of that, and again go to picture format to change this color of that lollipop. I'll change this color up to the green to represent this South Africa jersey. Like we have seen the cricket, South Africa jersey color are green. So I'll change again here. Similarly, we'll do for all these teams, and we'll change the color for this. Now here our chart looks pretty good. Now I'll change the title highest to the highest team scores in ICC Cricket World Cup history from 1975 to 2023. Now after reading this, it looked like this. Yeah, now it's pretty good, and it looks like a lollipop like structure. Now this is a lollipop chart.